From machines that assemble bridges in mid-air to AI-powered giants carving tunnels through mountains, this is what makes China's rapid growth unstoppable. So, how do these mechanical wonders work, and why has no one else caught up? Get ready to explore the fascinating world of engineering ingenuity as we unveil the machines that turn China into a global construction powerhouse. Trust me, by the end of this, you will see infrastructure like never before. The Iron Monster, SLJ900-32. When it comes to building bridges, the SLJ900-32, affectionately nicknamed the Iron Monster, is nothing short of a big deal. This machine has redefined how bridges are constructed, proving that innovation can outpace tradition. Forget cranes and scaffolding. This machine does it all, and does it fast. But what makes the Iron Monster such a revolutionary force in the world of construction? The SLJ900-32 is a 91-meter-long, 580-ton colossus designed specifically to build precast segmental bridges, developed by the Beijing Wow Joint Machinery Company. This machine is unlike anything you have ever seen. Its sleek, elongated body looks more like a mechanical centipede than your typical construction vehicle. However, do not let its peculiar appearance fool you. This beast is packed with functionality. The traditional method of building bridges is slow, expensive, and labor-intensive. Workers must construct temporary scaffolding and use cranes to lift heavy beams into place, a process that can take months or even years depending on the project. The Iron Monster, however, eliminates the need for all that. With its unique design, it can lift precast concrete segments, transport them to the construction site, and place them precisely where they are needed. All this is done without requiring cranes, scaffolding, or even much manpower. In other words, it is a one-machine show. How does it work? The SLJ900-32 operates on a simple yet genius principle. It moves forward while carrying massive bridge segments, placing them one by one to assemble the bridge. It uses a series of hydraulic jacks and rollers to shift the segments into place with millimeter precision. Once a segment is securely positioned, the machine advances to the next section of the bridge, repeating the process until the entire structure is complete. It is like watching a giant mechanical puzzle come together in real time. This innovative approach not only speeds up construction, but also enhances safety. By removing the need for scaffolding and heavy cranes, the risk of accidents on site is significantly reduced. Additionally, the SLJ900-32 is capable of operating in challenging environments, including over rivers, valleys, and busy highways. Traditional methods would struggle in such conditions, but the Iron Monster thrives. One of the most iconic projects involving this machine is the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge, a record-breaking 55-kilometer bridge that connects three major cities. Imagine trying to build something of that scale without the SLJ900-32. It would have been a logistical nightmare. The Iron Monster's efficiency allowed for quicker assembly, saving both time and resources. The machine has also been instrumental in China's ambitious Belt and Road Initiative, which aims to improve infrastructure connectivity across Asia, Europe, and Africa. With the SLJ900-32, China can rapidly construct bridges in remote or underdeveloped areas, ensuring that even the most inaccessible regions benefit from modern infrastructure. Now, let us talk about the versatility of SLJ900-32. Its primary function is building bridges, but it can also be adapted for other construction projects, such as elevated railways and viaducts. This flexibility makes it an invaluable asset in China's infrastructure arsenal. However, the Iron Monster's fame is not without controversy. Some critics argue that its reliance on precast concrete segments limits design flexibility. After all, not every bridge can follow a uniform blueprint. However, even with this limitation, the benefits of the SLJ900-32 far outweigh its drawbacks. Its efficiency, safety, and cost-effectiveness make it a cornerstone of modern construction technology. At the end of the day, we can see SLJ900-32 as a symbol of China's relentless drive for progress. It represents a shift away from traditional construction methods toward a future where innovation leads the way. And as China continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in infrastructure, the Iron Monster will undoubtedly remain at the forefront, building bridges, not just across rivers and valleys, but between imagination and reality. But what if we told you there's a machine that's taking China's infrastructure to the next level, beyond roads and bridges? Next-gen construction equipment. Imagine roads being built in hours instead of months. This is happening now, thanks to the next-generation construction equipment in China. These cutting-edge machines are reshaping how infrastructure is created, setting new standards for speed, precision, and efficiency. Well, what exactly makes these machines so special? And how do they keep China ahead in the construction game? Let us take a closer look. At the heart of next-gen construction technology is automation. China has embraced automated machinery that does more in a day than an entire crew could achieve in weeks. Take the multifunctional road paver, for instance. This machine does not just lay asphalt, it ensures that the road surface is perfectly even, durable, and ready for use almost immediately. Equipped with advanced sensors and GPS technology, these machines can adapt to environmental conditions, ensuring flawless execution regardless of terrain. Then there is the story of the synchronized roller compactors. These are not your average steamrollers. Controlled by AI, these machines work in unison, creating roads that meet international quality standards. The compactors communicate wirelessly, ensuring consistent pressure across the entire surface. This not only speeds up construction, but also guarantees roads that last longer, reducing maintenance costs significantly. Let us focus on speed. Enter the slip-form paver, a machine designed to pour concrete continuously while shaping it into perfectly formed roads, curbs, or barriers. This is the unsung hero behind China's high-speed highways. Traditionally, forming and curing concrete for such projects could take weeks. With the slip-form paver, that timeline is reduced to mere days, enabling China to roll out new infrastructure at an unprecedented rate. Of course, precision is just as important as speed, and that is where robotic excavators come in. These machines are equipped with machine learning algorithms that allow them to learn from their surroundings. They can dig trenches with surgical accuracy, ensuring minimal waste and maximum efficiency. Pair this with drones that provide real-time site surveys and have a construction process that is as smart as it is fast. Next-gen construction equipment is about sustainability. China's eco-conscious approach has led to the development of electric and hybrid construction vehicles. For example, electric loaders and excavators are becoming increasingly common on job sites. These machines drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions, making them a win-win for both progress and the planet. However, innovation does not stop there. Take 3D printing in construction, which has seen transformative applications in recent years. In Suzhou, China, a team of engineers used a massive 3D printer to construct an entire pedestrian bridge. The printer used recycled materials to create the structure, demonstrating how technology can not only save time, but also promote sustainability. It is a clear indication that the future of construction lies in combining efficiency with environmental responsibility. One of the standout examples of next-gen construction equipment in action is the Beijing Daxing International Airport. Dubbed the Starfish for its unique design, this megastructure was built in record time, thanks in large part to advanced machinery. High-speed concrete mixers, automated cranes, and robotic welders worked around the clock to bring the project to life. The result? A state-of-the-art airport that serves as a testament to what next-gen technology can achieve. Still, not everyone is sold on these innovations. Critics argue that the reliance on automated machinery could lead to job displacement, raising concerns about the human cost of technological advancement. While these concerns are valid, it is important to note that the integration of next-gen equipment also creates opportunities for upskilling workers. Operating and maintaining these machines requires specialized knowledge, paving the way for a more tech-savvy workforce. Next-gen construction equipment is both a collection of fancy gadgets and a symbol of how far technology has come and where it is headed. These machines are fast, precise, sustainable, and above all, transformative. As China continues to build at breakneck speed, these innovations ensure that the nation is keeping up with demand and also setting the standard for the world to follow. But what if precision is the real key to unlocking even more groundbreaking feats in construction? Advanced CNC machines, the backbone of manufacturing. When it comes to building the unbuildable, China's secret weapon is not just about brute strength or flashy machines. It is precision. Nothing screams precision like CNC machines. CNC, or computer numerical control, may sound like a mouthful of jargon, but trust me, these machines are the silent heroes behind China's construction dominance. They are the brains and brawns that make those sleek bridges, massive skyscrapers, and cutting-edge machines a reality. At their core, CNC machines are high-tech tools that can cut, carve, mill, and drill materials with jaw-dropping accuracy. Picture a sculptor chipping away at marble. Only this sculptor does not make mistakes and can carve out the most complex details at the touch of a button. CNC machines handle everything from metals to composites, turning raw materials into the precision-engineered parts that drive construction innovation. China's manufacturing powerhouse status owes a lot to these machines. Factories across the nation are equipped with advanced CNC systems capable of producing everything from tiny screws to gigantic turbine blades. Take a moment to appreciate the scale. In 2023 alone, China accounted for nearly 40% of the global CNC market. That is rewriting the rulebook. How do these machines work? The magic lies in their software. CNC machines follow coded instructions that dictate every single movement, down to fractions of a millimeter. Think of it as an orchestra, with every component working in harmony to produce the perfect symphony of engineering. Whether it is carving a steel girder for a skyscraper or crafting parts for the SLJ-932 Iron Monster we talked about earlier, CNC machines deliver flawless results every single time. On the cutting edge, pun intended, China's latest CNC machines are equipped with AI and IoT, Internet